Got this package in from Zombie Lock, and so what all he give me here? He give me some shims here. Try to shim a lock. I've never shimmed a lock. Give that a shot. And some long tweezers. He felt sorry for them little short ones that I stole from my wife. I guess I can give them back to her. And some leather to put in the vise, help hold them locks. But let's see, the first one here is a Texas GM lock that he sent me. It's pretty smooth. Let's see, these two were Papa Gleb locks. I've never picked a Papa Gleb, so that's gonna be fun to do. Got me this little master here. This little lock here don't have a name, but it's got a tiny keyway there. That's a Shillette. Or Chillette or something. And here's an Abus disc lock. Never picked an Abus. I'm really excited to get into that one. And this little guy here is, I think this Bible is plastic, it looks like. But it's just light as a feather, nothing to it. That's pretty neat. And this is one of my favorites here. That is a beautiful lock right there. It's a Brinks. I just love the looks of these locks. And really excited to get started on these. And I think I'm gonna try to pick this Abus. See how I do with it. Real quick, slide them out of the way. See if I can get it. So, dark that way. Turn the camera around this way, maybe. There we go. Try and get out of that shadow there. Maybe that'll work. Alright. So nothing on one. Nothing on two. Let's click on 3, I think. There's 2. And counter 1. There it is. That is my first Abus. To pick. Thank you, Zombie. I sure appreciate it, and I'll get started on these other ones real soon. Be legal, God bless, and please subscribe.